Good morning, Colorado. We are here today. We did a checkup on that furnace the other day, and we found a soft spot right here in the vent. This is 26 gauge sheet metal or ducting. It is 4-inch, so we're going to replace it all the way from the furnace to right there where it transitions to B vent. The B vent's in pretty good shape, so we're going to get that changed out so that they don't have exhaust and CO leaking into their attic.
Am I good to go?
Yep. So there we go. We got our 4-inch vent replaced. No more soft spots in it. Got it all the way up there to the B vent. Have the support reattached. See that seam? We like to keep that on the top if at all possible. One thing I noticed when we were doing this job, right here, you'll see a sticker. It's for Planet Duct. In my opinion, the best duct cleaning company in El Paso County, Colorado. They may work in other neighboring counties. You'd have to call them and find out. But they do, bar none, top-notch work. I've seen it in action, second to none. Give them a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.